Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and in this short video I will tell you that how you can easily delete all the watch later videos on YouTube. That's quite simple, interesting and easy, so make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make a single mistake. So guys, first of all you'll have to open up the YouTube app, and for example you have tapped on the watch later button on any of the video like this, and now you have got a lot of videos in the watch later section and you want to remove all of them. So first of all you'll have to tap on the bottom right corner on your name, and after scrolling down you'll be able to find that watch later section. I'll refresh it and I'll open it now. uh, if you'll tap on the top right corner on those three dots, you will not be able to find any of the option to delete them. The only option you have is to swipe down to the left side and then hit the trash, swipe down and hit trash and again. And by repeating this process, you can easily delete all the videos that are saved in the watch later section. So I hope you found the video helpful. If you have found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions about the video, let me know in the comment section. Thank you.